You got old knees? You need to love on them more. So that's the reason why you got old knees, because you ain't loving them, right? So old knees, I'm talking about, a lot of times we are sitting, and when we get up, we're like, oh man, I can't put my legs straight, right? That's what I'm talking about, old knees. And it's not necessarily they're 50 or 60 years old. I'm talking about when you sit so long, we all work from home, work from a desk, we're sitting all day, and we get up and we feel like we're old, we're like 80 years old, right? It's got old knees. So here's a way, before you actually get up and stand up, what I want you to do is I want you to love on your knees. How are you going to love on your knees? What's the best thing you do when you love on your family? You hug them, right? So I want you to hug your knees. Hug them at the top. Hold it for 10 seconds. And I want you to hug them on the bottom. Hold it for 10 seconds, right? And then you want to extend them. Let go, right? You can't hug too hard, otherwise you can't breathe. So you're going to do this 3 times, right? So 3 times and then stand up. Make sure you hit the